The people over at Aqara Home Automation sent me one of their Zigbee hubs, and they also sent me one of their wireless motion sensors to try out. The hub is really simple to get going. Just plug it in, install the Aqara app, and follow the prompts to get the hub connected to your wireless internet. The hub itself has an onboard speaker as well as a ringing RGB light that goes around the case. The motion sensor has a adjustable swivel base that already has the adhesive applied. Adding Zigbee components to the hub is actually really simple. Just follow the prompts in the app, hold the button down on the side, easy as that. I also purchased an Aqara push button switch which has single press, double press, and long press functionality. I placed the hub in my hallway where my doorbell would typically go, which works out pretty well because the Aqara app actually has built-in doorbell sounds that you can utilize. The app also has built-in alarm siren tones, which is awesome if you want to use this as an alarm system. So you can have the motion sensor set up, and if somebody triggers it, the alarm will go off. Bud really likes the doorbell. The hub easily integrates into the Home Assistant app. I made an automation using the motion sensor that turns my garage lights on if it detects motion. Then if there's no motion for 5 minutes, the lights are turned off. I gotta say that I'm very impressed with this product. The app was super easy to use, everything was easy to get up and running. I'll definitely be adding more components in the near future. Thank you again to Aqara for letting me try all this stuff out, I really appreciate it. Be sure to check the links in the descriptions on where to find more info on Aqara Home Automation.